trading sessions. The trading day can be broken down into 3 major sessions. To determine the better times of day to trade, we must know what countries are doing business. In a global economy, different countries operate during their own business hours. Some of these countries' hours of business overlap, and there is a lot of market activity, while other times, business is very slow. There are 3 major trading sessions, and they are named after the major financial city center of their area. So we have the Tokyo session, otherwise known as the Asian session. We have the London session, or the Great Britain, and most of Europe will be trading during this time. And the New York session, or the North American session. Here is a chart that shows us the open and close of each session on Eastern time or the GMT time. Tokyo opens at 5 p.m. Eastern, closes at 4 a.m. London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern, closes at 12 p.m. And then New York opens at 8 a.m. Eastern, closes at 5 p.m. Below is a better representation of the Forex market hours and how they overlap one another. The red bar we can see is the Tokyo session or the Asian session. And the times on this chart are the New York time zone, the Eastern time zone. So the number 1 is 1 a.m., the number 2 is 2 a.m., and so on. So 24-hour chart. We can see that in New York, the Tokyo session starts at 7 p.m. and goes till 4 in the morning. The London session starts at 3 in the morning and goes till noon. And then the New York session starts at 8 in the morning and goes until 5. The best time of day to trade is throughout the entire London session. The market can, and often does, change direction when the New York session begins. Once London closes for the day, the remaining New York session is pretty quiet. The entire Tokyo session is quiet enough that most traders avoid attempting to trade it. The market can move during Tokyo, but it's limited and it's choppy. The trading sessions will impact your trading the smaller the time frame you choose to trade. The 4-hour and the daily time frames aren't affected like the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame. You're going to want to choose the time of day that you trade if you're going to be trading a smaller time frame. If you're trading the 5-minute or the 15-minute charts, you want to be very selective about the time of day that you're trading. If you're trading the 4-hour or the daily charts, you can take a trade pretty much anytime you get a signal.